Hello friends, let us see some gate questions on the topic deep foundation. First read the given question. A group of 6 piles, 10-meter length, okay, 0.5 meter diameter is installed in a 10-meter thick stiff clay layer underlined by rock. Okay. The pile soil adhesion factor 0.4 given. Average shear strength on the sides of the pile is given. At the base is also given. The base resistance of single pile. So what they're asking? Base resistance of single pile. Even though they have given so much of data, what we have to find? Simply we have to find the base resistance. How can you find the base resistance? Whether it is a clay or sandy soil? Stiff clay. That means we are having only C. If it is pure clay, what about the end bearing capacity? Nothing but a C and C into end bearing area. Did they mention anything about the N value? If nothing is mentioned, then we have to consider it as a 9. As they are asking us base resistance, at base, what is the resistance of the soil? The shear strength at the base is how much? 100 kilopascal. So, 100. So, they are given shear strength, but we are considering it as cohesion. If it is in general, what is the shear strength? C plus sigma tan phi. If it is a clay soil, phi will be equal to 0. Then your shear strength is nothing but a cohesion. So C value is nothing but 100. And C value you have to take it as a 9 if nothing is given. What about end bearing area? They are saying that it is a 0.5 diameter. So what is the circular area? Pi by 4 into d square. What is the diameter? 0.5 whole square. If you solve this, you will get base resistance as this unit you are taking in kilopascal. So whatever the value, this in kilonewton per meter square, and area you have to take it in meter square. So you will get the answer in kilonewton. So if you solve this, you will get it is around 776.71. See, in general, the questions in deep foundation is very, very lengthy, but see the answer. So if you are doing an exam, no need to write down this step also. Directly you can write down this on paper and you can evaluate it. So in deep foundation, think about it. The length of the problem is very big, but solution is not that much. Okay. Don't get panicked by seeing the length of the question every time. Not only here, wherever it may be. Whatever may be the length of the question, even I will tell you, the more the lengthiest question, if you can understand the logic, within 2 steps, you can get the answer. Okay. Thank you.